Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Line 2 large baking sheets with aluminum foil, and place wire cooling racks on top of each sheet. Lay the strips out in a single layer on the wire racks. Bake until the beef jerky until it is dry and firm, yet still a little bit pliable, about 4 hours, flipping the beef jerky once about halfway through.
Take our lead.
The best food dehydrators for making jerky in 2020. Best overall, AskAbout 9 Tray Electric Food Dehydrator. Runner-up, Nesco Snackmaster Pro Food Dehydrator. Best Budget Dehydrator, Presto Dehydro Electric Food Dehydrator. Best Mid-Range Dehydrator, Hamilton Beach Digital Food Dehydrator.
Take our lead.
It is used at a rate of 1 teaspoon per 5 pounds of ground meat. If you are using it for a brine, you use 1/2 cup Instacure No 1 per gallon of water, plus 1 3/4 cup table salt, 2 1/4 tablespoon sugar, and any spices you wish.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Place the meat strips in a single layer on dehydrator trays, ensuring that no two pieces are touching. Dehydrate at 160 F for 4 to 6 hours. Check the strips after 4 hours and turn the pieces over on the dehydrator trays to ensure that the meat is drying evenly. Remove any pieces of jerky that are fully dry.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.